Pushing the button.
Mayday. Mayday.
Emergency Autoland activated. The Emergency Autoland system is controlling the aircraft.
I've got the
that will
landing
land
field
at the
elevation
safest
cast.
nearby
Roger.
airport. Please remain calm. Autoland is informing air traffic control of your situation. The next message will play in 60 seconds and contain further instructions.
Try to approach HondaJet.
Grab and rotate the adjust lever on the right-hand side of the pilot seat.
Yeah, try and do
Slide
the
seat
CD
all
next
the way
time
back.
on as well. Let's have Todd's drinking
Your
coffee.
airplane has begun
Yeah.
maneuvering into position for the final approach to landing. The Emergency Autoland system
Alright,
is controlling
so
all flight functions. You
air
won't need to do
flaps.
anything. You may hear and feel changes in the aircraft. This is
Air
normal.
flaps are
Aircraft November 420
Fire
Echo
trucks out to
X-ray
the right.
pilot incapacitation 1 mile northeast of Kilo Tango Romeo India. Emergency Autoland in less than 1 minute on runway 23 at Kilo Tango Romeo
Okay,
India.
landing.
flaps and landing, you're good.
Roger. Okay, it's starting to flare. There's the flare just slightly off to the left of the center line.
Okay, brakes.